I just love doing this technique. Okay, so there are 7. Oh, these mats, by the way, I found them on Amazon. So they're just self-healing mats with these grids on them. So unfortunately, I shall not be buying. You know, I don't have to get them made up. You know, I could just use that line there. Come on, there's just really convenient lines everywhere on them. You know, they're like for tailor stuff, for sewing gear. I mean, quite clever, isn't it? Their stuff. So anyway, as we've done before, let's just quickly to get the curve. I'm going to use my border buddy, or before I have set my marks to get the internal curve. You know, draw a straight line out from there, straight line out from there, find the centre. That will be that arc. So, but border buddy does me fine. And they're coming in next week. Right, so set her up on your bullnose board, as I call it, so you know that that is the arc that you want. Because I will have, I mean, I would do a load of them on top of there. I'm going to mark it myself later on, but anyway. Where's my bit? Get your piece that you've done there. This is going to be really tight, but that's my fault, sorry lads. So anyway, I'm going to bring it down so it just crosses over the centres. You know, there's my mark. There's my mark there. First one, I'm just going to hold them in place for now because I've only got a few of them. Get your template one. Just get it there, on that line, flip down, slide it up. Neil Andrews taught me this method over the phone when I wanted to do a big old crossheader curve and a circle once, and these people had a breakfast bar I wanted to figure out, but it really was a case of just pinning those two lines, and it really did drop in lovely. I sort of find just holding them now does the trick better. This is just the internal curve, remember, so. Just going to cut these pieces out quickly. The lighter the pigment tile, it makes a difference in the cutting, I find. They do follow like an absolute rail on it. If you get that, that's just like a light score, that is. Okay. See you in a moment.